What if I told you that the vitamins you take every single day, the ones you rely on to boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, and keep your body healthy, might not be working at all? Imagine swallowing those pills faithfully each morning, believing you're doing something good for your health, only to discover they're doing absolutely nothing. Or worse, they could be causing more harm than good. Some may contain inactive ingredients your body can't absorb or harmful fillers that add stress to your system. This isn't just about wasted money. It's about your health, your energy, and your future. I know that sounds dramatic, but I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to open your eyes because this is something millions of people over 50 are dealing with, and they don't even know it. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on vitamins and supplements with the hope of staying active, boosting energy, and aging well. And yet, many of those pills are going right through your system, offering no real benefit. That's not just a waste of money. It's a lost opportunity to support your body in the way it truly needs. And the worst part? It's not your fault. You're doing your best. You're trying to stay healthy. But the vitamin industry isn't always honest about what works and what doesn't. They use flashy labels, vague health promises, and ingredients that sound impressive, but often do very little, especially for aging bodies. That's why this video matters so much. Because once you understand what's really going on, you can make smarter choices. Choices that actually support your health, instead of draining your wallet and giving you false hope. If you've ever wondered why you still feel tired, foggy, weak, even though you're taking your daily vitamins, you're not imagining things. It's not in your head. This is happening to so many people, and it's deeply frustrating. You're doing your part. You're taking what you thought were the right supplements, but your body still isn't responding the way you hoped. You wake up sluggish. Your mind feels cloudy. Your energy just isn't there. And you start to ask yourself, what am I missing? That question is exactly why this video exists. There's a real science-backed reason why your vitamins might not be helping you. And once you understand it, you can finally start getting the support your body truly needs. So let's walk through this together, step by step, and get you on a better path. Problem number one, your body can't absorb what you're taking. Most store-bought vitamins use forms that are synthetic or inactive. That means your body just doesn't know what to do with them. You might be swallowing a pill that looks healthy, but it passes through you almost untouched. No benefit. Just wasted money. Here's why this happens. Many vitamins on the market are made with cheaper synthetic versions of nutrients that your body struggles to recognize. For example, folic acid is a common synthetic form of vitamin B9, but your body needs to convert it into methylfolate before it can use it. Some people have trouble doing this conversion efficiently, which means the vitamin never truly benefits them. Even if the label says 100% daily value, it only refers to the amount of nutrient in the pill, not how much your body actually absorbs. Absorption is a complex process influenced by the form of the vitamin, your digestion, and other factors like gut health, age, or medications you might be taking. Many older adults in particular have reduced stomach acid, which makes it harder to break down certain vitamin compounds. This means a vitamin that worked well when you were younger might not be effective now. Add to that common gut issues like inflammation, poor microbiome balance, or digestive conditions, and you have a recipe for poor nutrient absorption. So while you might be dutifully swallowing your vitamins every day, your body might be getting very little from them. This isn't just a waste of money, it's a missed chance to support your health the way you deserve. Understanding this is crucial because it means your vitamins might be giving you false sense of security. You think you're protecting yourself, but you could be letting deficiencies sneak in, leaving you tired, weak, or more vulnerable to illness. In short, not all vitamins are created equal. The form they come in matters a lot. If your body can't absorb them properly, they're almost useless. Problem number two, you're taking the wrong form for your age. As we get older, our bodies change in ways that affect how well we absorb vitamins and minerals. One of the biggest changes is that our stomach acid levels decrease. Stomach acid plays a crucial role in breaking down food and supplements, so your body can absorb the nutrients inside. When acid levels drop, it becomes harder for your digestive system to extract and use vitamins from the supplements you take. This means that the forms of vitamins that worked well when you were in your 30s or 40s might not be working at all in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Many common vitamin supplements use forms of nutrients that are fine for younger people but difficult for aging bodies to absorb. For example, vitamin B12 is a critical nutrient that many older adults struggle to absorb. Most standard supplements contain B12 in the form called cyanocobalamin. While cyanocobalamin is widely used, research shows that older adults absorb a different form, methylcobalamin, much better. This form is more bioavailable, which means your body can easily recognize and use it. Magnesium is another example. Magnesium oxide is a common form found in many supplements, but it's poorly absorbed and can cause digestive upset. For seniors, magnesium glycinate or magnesium malate are better options. These forms are gentler on the stomach and much easier for your body to take up. If you're taking vitamins that aren't designed with these age-related changes in mind, they may not be doing their job. Worse, you might be thinking you're supporting your health, but your body is missing out on vital nutrients. This can lead to ongoing symptoms like fatigue, muscle weakness, or brain fog, even when you're religiously taking your supplements. What's important to remember is that your body's needs evolve over time. Aging is natural, but it doesn't mean you have to accept feeling worse. It means you need to adjust your approach. Switching to supplements formulated for older adults or choosing bioavailable forms of vitamins can make a big difference. You deserve supplements that actually work for your body, not the one-size-fits-all options that flood the market. So, if you're over 50 and still taking the same vitamins you bought years ago, it's time to rethink your routine. Your body is unique, especially as it ages. Give it the right support with the right forms of vitamins. Because when your supplements match your needs, your health can truly improve. Problem number 3. Harmful fillers and hidden ingredients. Many people don't realize that not all vitamins are pure or safe. Some supplements contain harmful fillers and additives that don't belong in your body, especially when you're trying to heal, age well, or reduce inflammation. These fillers can include artificial colors, which might trigger allergies or sensitivities in some people. Titanium dioxide is another common ingredient. It's used to make pills look white and bright, but recent studies suggest it could cause irritation or even affect your gut health. Hydrogenated oils found in some capsules or soft gels are unhealthy fats linked to inflammation and heart problems. Even worse, some cheap or poorly made supplements have trace amounts of heavy metals like lead, arsenic, or mercury. These toxins can build up in your body over time and harm your organs. When you're trying to support your health, the last thing you want is to be putting harmful chemicals or unnecessary fillers into your system. Unfortunately, many inexpensive vitamins use these ingredients to cut costs. Choosing supplements without these harmful additives is essential. Look for clean, transparent labels that list exactly what's inside. Your body deserves purity and quality, not junk. Problem number 4. The false sense of security. Many people believe that taking a multivitamin means they're covered, like they've done all they need to stay healthy. Because of this, they might stop paying close attention to important parts of their lifestyle like diet, physical activity, or sleep quality. But here's the truth. Vitamins are not a shield. They are a support system. They can help fill in gaps, but they can never replace the foundation of good health. Eating well, moving your body, and getting restful sleep. If you're taking the wrong vitamins, they might actually distract you from the real work you need to do. You might feel like you're making progress, but really you could be standing still or even falling behind. You deserve better than that. You deserve a clear, honest approach to health, one that combines smart supplementation with healthy habits that truly make a difference. Take a moment and really ask yourself, have you ever taken a vitamin day after day, month after month, and felt nothing? No boost in energy, no clearer mind, no real change at all? It's frustrating, isn't it? You're doing what you thought was right, but your body isn't responding the way you hoped. Have you ever wondered why your energy still feels low, or why you struggle with brain fog, despite faithfully taking your supplements? You might even feel a little discouraged or confused, wondering if something is wrong with you. Here's the most important thing to remember. You're not alone. So many people experience this exact same frustration. You're not broken. You're not failing. Your body just isn't getting the right kind of support yet. That's a powerful difference. It's not about blame or guilt. It's about understanding what your body really needs, especially as you age. The good news? Once you know the right steps, you can make changes that actually help. So let's fix that together. You deserve vitamins and habits that truly work for you, not empty promises or wasted effort. Solution number one, switch to bioavailable forms. Making one simple change, choosing vitamins in bioavailable forms, can transform how well your body absorbs nutrients. Bioavailable means your body easily recognizes and uses the vitamin without extra processing. This is especially important as we age because digestion slows down and absorption becomes less efficient. For example, vitamin B12 in the form of methylcobalamin is better absorbed than the common synthetic form, cyanocobalamin. Folate should be taken as methylfolate, not folic acid, because your body uses it directly. Magnesium glycinate or malate absorbs much better and is gentler than magnesium oxide. For vitamin D, choose D3, cholecalciferol, the form your body naturally makes. Switching to these forms means your vitamins aren't just passing through, they're nourishing your body. Solution number two, always take vitamins with food, especially the right kind. Some vitamins like A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble. They need healthy fats to be absorbed properly. Taking these vitamins on an empty stomach means your body won't absorb them well. Eat your vitamins with a meal that includes healthy fats, like eggs, avocado, olive oil, or nuts. Even a small amount helps your body absorb these nutrients better. Combining bioavailable vitamins with the right meal ensures you get the full benefits, supporting your energy, immune system, and overall health. Solution number three, simplify your routine. More is not better. Many people believe that taking a long list of supplements will cover every health need. But the truth is, you don't need 15 different pills a day. In fact, too many supplements can actually put extra stress on your liver and kidneys, the organs responsible for processing everything you put into your body. Instead, focus on the essentials that truly make a difference, especially for seniors. A high-quality multivitamin designed for older adults can help fill nutritional gaps. Vitamin D3 is critical, especially if you don't get much sunlight. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil or algae support heart and brain health. And magnesium helps with sleep, muscle function, and calming your nerves. Start simple. Pay close attention to how you feel after making these changes. Add only what you really need based on your body's response. Quality beats quantity every time. Solution number four, test, don't guess. The best way to know what your body truly needs is to get your blood levels tested. Ask your doctor to check important markers like vitamin D, B12, iron or ferritin, magnesium, and inflammation markers such as CRP. With these real numbers in hand, you can target your supplement routine precisely. No more guessing or wasting money on what your body doesn't actually need. Testing might also reveal hidden deficiencies that have been quietly draining your energy or health for years. I want to hear from you. Have you ever taken a vitamin that just didn't seem to do anything? Or maybe you switched brands and suddenly felt a difference. Leave a comment below and share your experience. Your story could help someone else who feels confused or frustrated right now. And remember, you are not alone. There's a whole community of people waking up to the truth about their health. Let's take a deep breath and review what we learned. Many vitamins don't work because they're the wrong form or poorly absorbed. Some contain harmful fillers that your body doesn't need. Taking bad vitamins can give you false confidence and delay real progress. But you can take action. Use bioavailable forms, take them with food, simplify your routine, and test your levels. This isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about making smarter choices, little by little. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. I post weekly tips to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent as you age. And if you know someone, a parent, a partner, a friend, who takes vitamins every day, send this video to them. It might be the nudge they need. You deserve to feel better, you deserve to be informed, and I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Stay well, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.